What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add a payment method on your Wix website in order to collect payments from your clients. So if you are planning on creating an e-commerce business or an online store through Wix, of course you need to set up payment methods to have or collect or get payments from the clients that buy your products or services. So let's get right to it. First of all, you must note that in order to be able to collect payments from your website or your Wix website, you'll need to be at least on the standard plan. So of course you have to be on a paid plan. However, the basic one, which is the cheapest plan, does not allow you to accept payments or connect payment methods. So in order to connect payment methods, you need to be at least on the standard plan, which is like $20 a month. Of course, that's like annually. If you pay like per month, it'll be more expensive. However, the cheapest plan, as I told you, the basic one, does not allow you to add or accept payments. It allows you to add like custom domains, have storage and other benefits. However, to be able to accept payments, you need to be at least on the standard or of course the plus or elite or enterprise plan. So let's get back to our Wix here studio or Wix dashboard. Here I'm on my Wix dashboard, and as you can see I have created like many websites. For now, I'll just work with this one, the My Site 5, since this one is the premium website that I bought or subscribed to the business plan on, or the standard plan on. Now, to add payment method, just simply select the website here, edit it, go hover over it, and click on Edit Site. It'll open up the website in the editor in a new tab here. And now here I have the website opened in the editor. Now here you can edit, of course, any element of your website, and you can here click to connect a domain, since it generates like a generic domain name by like Wix here. And from there you need to click on site right here from the menu at the top, and then go to dashboard to go to this website's dashboard. You can go here to the setup process, the one that says let's set up your business, and here you can see the option to set up a payment method, and you can click on it to manage your payments. Or you can go here in the settings, go to settings here at the bottom, and then go here to payments, that is accept payments. Click on here. They'll both get you to the same page really. Now here you can see you have many payment methods available. Of course this might vary depending on the country that you are in. Now here you have Wix payments. You can click here to complete setup. It says that it can accept payments from credit or debit cards. So if we click here, you can continue setting up Wix payments on your website. Okay, so here you can go and fill in all those details, and it'll link you to, in order to link the Wix payments. So that's one option. I'll just cancel it for now. And you have already many options available, such as Apple Pay. So you can click here to accept Apple Pay or Google Pay. So Google Pay is active by default. However, you can click to accept Apple Pay here, and it's already active, and of course it's on hold because you need to set up your website to actually accept payments. So here you have Afterpay, you have Affirm, you have Tap to Pay on mobile. So here it's for the mobile phones, so either Android or iOS. And here you can activate also Wix point of sales if you already have like a physical store, so in order to accept payments from customers physically. However, you must know that in order to accept payments this method, you need to have a certain hardware or a certain machine provided by Wix to accept payments. And here, these are the connected methods by default. Of course, if one is not connected, you can click to accept it. Of course, this may vary depending on your country. And finally, here you can also connect PayPal and accept manual payments, such as like cash or cash on delivery and stuff like that. So here to connect PayPal, simply click on connect, and you have the instructions to connect PayPal as well as the PayPal fees. So here you can view the PayPal fees. So it's from 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. And to connect PayPal here, you can enter your PayPal email address, and then it'll redirect you to a page where you can enter your PayPal password to connect PayPal. And if you go back here and scroll down, you also can connect manual payments. So if we click on connect here, you have many manual payment methods such as cash payment, offline payment, so like by bank transfer or something like that, and or e-wallet transfer, and you have cash on delivery. So let's say we want to enable cash on delivery. So here you will enter like the instructions for the customer. So let's say pay in cash once you receive the item. Okay, and then click on connect. And here it says manual payment is now connected to your site. And if you scroll down, you can see that manual payments is now active and you can manage it. Of course, for any payment method here, you can manage it even if it's like active. So for Wix payments, you can click here to manage Wix payments that include by default credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, Affirm. So these are all payment methods that follow the Wix payments or are the default for Wix here. Of course, you need to complete the setup process as I showed you before in order to fully activate all these payment methods. So if we click here on manage, you can here select like each payment method. So for Apple Pay, Google Pay, so you can accept it, enable it, or disable it. Also, you can click here on learn more next to any payment methods, or like for Afterpay and Affirm, you can click here to learn how to qualify for Afterpay or Affirm to accept payments through these methods. And here you can also view the fees, the additional fees for each method. Of course, here it says fees may vary. So you can click here to view also the additional fees in case of a chargeback or like if a customer returns the item or stuff like that. And here that's basically it. And you need to make sure that some of the payment methods are like grayed out by default or not available in your country. So for me, like in my country, Apple Pay is not available. So even if I try to click on it, it will not activate. However, credit cards and debit cards are available. Afterpay, I haven't tried it before, but I can click on it to see, yep, it's available right here. You can connect it. And of course, I can click on any active payment method to turn it off or disable it. Here, as you can see. And depending on your country, you might have some of them available and some not. So this is how easy it is to add payment methods to your Wix website.